Now we need to install a packages, that is commander. By using commander, we will use all of our commander npm. Installing commander is very simple. Just click here for copying your commander and Ctrl Shift V for Linux. Ctrl Shift V on your terminal and press enter. Let me check documentation of commander. It's saying, what is commander.js? The complete solution for NodeJS command line interface. By using commander, we can set some description of our command, we can set command, we can make some option and something like that. Once you have installed commander, let's require this const program is equal require commander. And let's use program dot. At first we'll set the version of our command of our package. Version will be 1.1.1. after that, let's use, every time we use this commander, this program, we need to pass this process dot argv. Okay, let's try it out on terminal. Just write player and it's saying same thing, but let's try player version. This time it will say the version of 1.1.1. let me show you one more thing. Let's change the command player to player on, save it, and now this will work. But when we say npm link sudo for Linux user, let's try player on, both are working. That means they made both the command for us. Let's remove this player on and try this link once again, and player on, this still working. That means it has registered. Now let's use some command. Let me make it little bit precise. Ctrl Shift I for reformatting your code on Linux, and Shift Alt F for Windows. Command, let's use the command. The command will be show comma. This is asking for option of commands. We can set some description here. Show all player informations. Save it once again. Let me comment out this console log. Once again, use the command player. It's saying usage of player. This is the option we have help and version command. We have show command. Now show all the player information. Let's use the command player show. We get an error. It's saying player show does not exist. When you use a command show, it will looking for this file player-show. So we need to make that file to use the command. Let's make it player-show.js. console log something, so we can make sure that it is working the correct file, showing all player informations. Save it once again, run the same command player show. It's saying show all player information. That means